Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Police Chase Takes Fatal Turn After Suspect Drives Through Mall. Let's get into the video.
Down on the ground! Down on the ground! Out of the way! Move out of the way!
December 21st, 2024, Killeen, Texas. An insanely reckless chase ends with officers fatally shooting the suspect after he drives his truck into a mall, injuring several others in the process. The chase began after the suspect evaded a traffic stop on the I-35 and drove into the mall's parking lot after exiting.
So I got my yellow markers on. Moving to the middle lane now.
We'll be left shoulder.
Yeah, I got eyes on you. He's approaching, still middle lane, about 30 yards from the bridge. Trying to keep traffic off him. I just need you to stop. Yeah, just freeze. We're going to come up on you shortly. We're approaching Whataburger now. Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Still rolling middle lane. Just freeze where you are. Approaching Salotsky. He's jumping all the way to the right lane. Picking it up on the right lane if you can start moving over, passing the Mexican grill. Good copy. Right there, approaching you.
Black one with the 296, they did it for 60.
Is your life really worth whatever it is that you're running from? Okay. Yeah, that's a strong car or a strong truck. I don't know why people try to run with trucks. Like, where are you really gonna go with a truck?
Right shoulder, speed 74. Shot Bodycam.
Bodycam, speed 74, shoulder up.
He must got some serious charges that he running from, because no way you running from this because of a traffic stop.
6754, still on the right hand shoulder, picking it up, speed 90.
Been up there on the 28, 14.
Yeah, the sun gonna go down by the time they catch him.
We're turning north on the WSM, north on WSM. Going into the Killeen Mall,
Mall parking lot, 16.
Alright, we're looping back around here.
He really think he getting away too.
After leading officers through the parking lot, he turns into the doors of JCPenney, hitting 14 people as he drives through the mall. Police pursue him on foot.
20 quick rotates.
Now that's crazy. Oh.
Out of the way! Move out of the way!
At this point, officers fire nearly 60 rounds at the suspect, fatally injuring him before he can drive to more crowded areas in the mall.
Dang. They got him together, boy.
Locked up. Hey, we have EMS on the way?
Yeah, we got EMS. We need EMS. We got a lot of EMS coming.
Clean ball, JC Penney.
Hookups on him?
Suspect down.
Hey, who are you?
EMT
All right.
Do you have anybody?
No. Hold on. Hey, I'll grab him if we. Yes, y'all ready? Let's go.
Wow.
I think we can come around from the other side. Hey, can we get one on the other side of the truck?
What we got? Now here, let me pull this up for you. Come on. Here you go. Is there somebody in there? Can we get
In here? No, just him. So it'd be easier to get just one. It'd be easier to get him out that side. Hey, I think it's. Hey, let's take him out the other door. All right. Hey, I don't have anything other than tourniquet on me. Let's go and detain him though, just in case.
That boy barbecue chicken, talk about the tainer. Boy cook. Still gotta cuff him though.
Yeah, there's one in the
But-
back.
Check the head. Let's check the head first.
Yeah, oh, he's.
Yeah, let's this way.
That one right there. One in the head.
Woo wee. They turned that boy into Swiss cheese, boy.
Go have some coffee. But I'm going to have to give a statement. And we're going to.
Wow. That's crazy. Unbelievable.
Hey, where's suspect? Back there on the right.
Oh, wow.
Hey, he's gonna run around. Right here. Don't get touched.
John Darrell Schultz succumbed to his wounds at the scene of the crime. Thankfully, no one who was hit by his truck suffered from fatal injuries.
Yeah. Hey. You injure all them people. Why would you even... They turned that boy into Swiss cheese. Hey, over with. Talk about cuff him up. Boy is cooked. Over with. Damn. 60 rounds? Shit, everyone was justified, boy. You gotta stop him, man. He took out 14 people, man. I ain't trying to hear it. Gotta turn that boy gotta meet his maker. I ain't trying to hear it. So some of y'all may be, oh, that's excessive, whatever. Say that for the birds, man. That was justified to me. Justified. Put that stamp of approval on there. Oh, good job. But what? Yeah, send that boy to the afterlife. Wait, that's a fact. Got him together. Got him together. You don't want to act right? We gonna get you together, boy. Maybe in the next life, you hear me? Shit, it's over with. You messed this one up. But anyways, I think the cops, man, they get a 5 out of 5, man. From me, 5 out of 5. They did they thing, man. High stress, intense situation. Had to put him down like a dog, man. That's it. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, let me know in the comment section how well you think they did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.